All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Anthony here, Special Analysis. We're going to be covering a look here at the SPX 500 this afternoon. I want to talk about this perfect setup here on the profit pack. Have some nice consolidative state here on the SA bars. We break above, take a perfect retest through the profit band as it's intended to be used. This is our trigger candle. I want you to also notice, looking at the Hawkeye zones at the same time, we are testing support, right? As we are coming through and pushing onward and upward. So Hawkeye had seen the futures market pulling back into a support level aggressively, seeing buying volume step back in, and you can see the profit pack nailed the correction, and we had about an $18+ run here to the upside right into the closing bell at 1600 Eastern Standard Time. So if you guys want to learn more about these services that I offer as far as the software is concerned, please head on over to specialanalysis.com/trading-services. You can take a deeper look into the Hawkeye. You can also take a deeper look here into the profit pack, understanding that these are wonderful tools that you can add into your arsenal to help put that odds in your favor as you approach your trading. Whether you're day trading, swing trading, or position trading, you can benefit from the use of volume-driven software. Okay, guys, I'm a huge proponent. If you watch any of the videos that I share with you, it is all about volume and price action. The profit pack is driven by volume and price action. The Hawkeye components are driven as the same, and you can see with them paired together here, really just a beautiful, predictable outcome, pushing into support on the S&P 500 futures market, the SPX 500, taking that pullback through the profit band into that consolidative state, and then pushing onward and upward into the closing bell. So guys, I encourage you to look below this video, consume the content of the links down there. If you have questions, I'll leave you my information as well, so I can help you get set up. All right, it ultimately comes down to you taking the next step. You know that I swear by volume and price action. The Hawkeye components and the profit pack components are both driven by volume and price action. So if you're looking for something to aid you along your process of building experience, I believe that either one or both of these, together or separate, could aid in your ability to better read the market. Because without having that understanding of reading the market, understanding of where that volume and price action is transpiring, you are going to have a difficult time, unfortunately. So I encourage you, again, click those links, consume that content. I'll recap this real quick. You can see the S&P 500 falls into a support zone here on the Hawkeye software. You can see high buying volume coming in here on the Hawkeye software. You can see the consolidative state very clearly on the profit pack, the push above, the pull through the profit band, which transpired right here. This is the trigger based on the methodology of the way the profit pack is designed, and the market continues to push onward and upward. I drew a very simplistic trend line here. You can see that next correction did continue to respect a higher low just flawlessly as price was driven back into supply here as we entered the closing bell. So guys, again, if you're not stacking the odds in your favor, volume and price action are the two things you must be focused on. All right, whether you decide to trade with me or not, or trade with somebody else or not, you should still be focused on the interaction between buying and selling, volume and price action, guys, because at the end of the day, that's what's going to drive you to making the most consistent approaches and the most consistent decisions as you go to employ your trade plan. Uniquely today, this was just a perfect setup here, hitting that Hawkeye demand, getting that buying volume really coming in nice and clear. Profit pack sets up beautifully that pull through the profit band, and we set another sequentially higher low. And then you can see we absolutely just rip higher right here, and you can see right here on Hawkeye as well, we rip back into these descending highs, back into this pivot high just about perfectly. All right, so putting this stuff in your favor again, guys, if you're not consistent, if you're not disciplined, if you're struggling to get there, all right, indicators are an amazing tool to help you get to the point where eventually you look at the screen and go, I understand what's happening, when, where, and why, because I have put in enough hours, time, and experience to do so. But there is no harm in having help along the way. So if you have questions, feel free to leave them below. I will see you in the next video. God bless, guys, and have a wonderful day.